Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today it's October the 2nd, 2022. Apple stock. Look at it. Yeah, I told you all that the price in Apple is going to go down, and here we are today. Jerome Powell has crashed the stock price in Apple because of a strong dollar. Have you guys seen the dollar lately? Let me show you all what the dollar looks like. All right, look at this. This is the dollar right here. Massively strong. If you guys been following my content here on YouTube, you guys would have already known that I brought this on your radar and that I told you all that the stronger that the market in the dollar gets, the worse it's going to be for every fiat currency that is pegged against it or that is paired against it. It's going to be bad for those currencies. That's why the Bank of England had to step in and pivot and buy some of their gilt because of this strong dollar. Now it's impacting Apple, Facebook, or Meta, Tesla. Like a lot of these conglomerate type businesses is seeing the impact as well. Will it continue? That's something that we need to address right now, because if Jerome Powell is going to come in and crash these stocks, you need to get out. You need to sell what you have right now at a profit, right? And sit in cash or find another opportunity, because for me, money is always swishing around trying to find out where it can go to make more of it. If it's not going to be in the stocks, then where is it going to go? Every stock is not going to go down. Every stock is not going to go down. The money's going to go somewhere, and those stocks will have to be keen on. It's going to be very few and far between. I get it, but that's where we need to place the money. Have you ever heard of the WWE? Let me show you this stock. So you're not going to see this on YouTube because these YouTubers don't tell you all about these stocks. They can only give you an analysis for Palantir or Tesla because they spend so much time on that one little bitty stock. There's thousands of other stocks in the market to where you can make money. Look at this one. This is the WWE, the World Wrestling Entertainment stock. Look at this stock. Can we see price going up? Now, this particular market in WWE, look at this, since 2020 has been in an uptrend. Look at that. Why is this stock going up, but Apple is going down? See, money is moving into this particular arena in the WWE. Look at this on a 3-month chart. Okay, let me move this in. Look at that. While everyone is running scared and telling you that every stock is going down, look at WWE. It's not. You just got to know where to look. Now, let's get back to Apple though. I just want to give you all an example. So let's go ahead and look at this. Now, a strong dollar is impacting a whole lot of assets, equities, commodities, real estate, Apple. Look at it. Terrible. This is not good. I'm one of the ones to keep it real on this YouTube space. In the finance space, I'm going to give you both sides. If I think price is going to go down, I'm going to predict it. If I think price is going to go up, I'm going to tell you that too. I am unbiased. I want to show you all the truth. I'm not going to pump these stocks just to get the clicks and the views. Even if it's an unpopular opinion, I still want to show you this is what it's looking like. And in Apple, this is terrible. This particular stock is in so many people's pensions, 401ks, in their own trading accounts. Big banks is holding this stock. And look at it trading now. This is the completion of the 3-month chart in Apple. This is garbage. I don't care what Warren Buffett says about Apple. What we see over the last 6 months in Apple is garbage. Nobody should be telling you all to come in and buy this stock, because I know it. This is one of the formidable stocks in the market today, right? They're going to tell you to come in and buy this dip. I already understand. But when you see this on a 3-month chart, you don't want to buy this yet. Why are you going to rush in and buy it just because you see the price going down? Why? Oh, because you think that's the bottom? Or you think that the market is not going to go lower? Take a look at this trend line. Look at this. This is where the market trend in Apple really is. So we can see the market in Apple fall another, check this out, another 26, 28% And this is where you will want to come in and nibble, because it tells us, first of all, we're getting the price cheaper. We're going to get it around $100. And then two, the price is still touching the trend line. This is the long-term trend going all the way back to 2019. This is the trend. This is where we need to come in and really focus in and buying up Apple, not at 138, $100. Now, let me show you all the monthly chart. Okay, we're still weak. Last month in Apple, this is terrible. And I think people are finally come to a realization that the weakness into the market is definitely here. Look at this. The volume came in heavier than the last 3 months. So a lot more people have played an active role in Apple. They're trying to come in and sell this stock. So now for us, we had to be forward thinkers. How low do you think the market in Apple is going to go then? How low? Well, we can see one area already. Okay, this is one area. Right here. Okay, around $131, $130. That is going to be my first price target. Now check this out though. We closed in the month of September on the low end of that monthly price bar, right? This was an area of resistance in Apple right here though. All right, so you may say, well, we might see the market in Apple bounce at around 137 because back in 2020, it was acting as resistance, right? Yes, that may be the case, but look at where we closed at. We closed at the very bottom. So that tells me that people are really trying to get out the market in Apple, and they're not going to hold it at 137, 138, maybe around 130, but definitely right here. Okay, so I'm already giving you all price targets. 130 is going to be first for me. Second is going to be around 122.50. Okay, third is going to be around 110. Let's just do 110. So we got 130, 122, 110. Fourth would be 100. All right, so that's it. Nothing hard, nothing complicated, because people are actually giving us their ideas as to what they think the market's going to do. So let me go ahead and take this out. Congratulations to those who was able to get 11.41% out the market. If you were able to get out on the close of Friday's trade, it's around 15.5. That's what we do here. Okay, now we're definitely are in a downtrend. All right, in Apple, we get it. So let me go ahead and put this back on the chart again. Okay, and we're going to bring this in a little bit closer. So let's run it to beginning of December. Okay, now first price target 130. Okay, 130. That gives us what, 6% profitability in that move to the downside. Very doable. Second price target, you guys remember I said 122. That's around 11.25. That third price target is around 110. Now it might come up here towards like 115. So I'll do around 113. I'll do 113. So we'll bring it around 113. All right, so let me bring that up. Okay. Now, this trend line is still in place. So I'm going to hold this trend line here. I'm going to get rid of this downtrending line because I really want us to focus in on how low the price in Apple is going to go. All right. So let me extend this over. Now, let's say that the market comes back to life and price begins to go up. At what point will we have to say, we need to let this go and play the market move to the upside? What price level? Can you see it? I can see it around 150, right? But to give us a cushion, I would do around like 155. Okay, so check this out. So let's say that Apple begins to come back to life, price begins to go up. If the market does not break above 155, right? And let's say it comes back down, then we understand that the market is still weak and that our prediction is still on point. The only way that we had to let this prediction go is if we see the market in Apple break 155, come back down and like hold it and continue to trend higher. That is where we're going to be on the lookout, because the market's going to try to trick us. It's going to try to fake us out. It's going to try to make us get our position so that we can be on the losing team. But if we don't see the price break 155, don't get swindled by the market. All right. So this is it. This is what I'm looking at. Go back and listen to the video again to get my price targets. Now is your turn. The comment section is open for you all to drop your price prediction into the market in Apple. All right. Because it is about time for us to see the market in Apple lift. A lot of stocks have just simply gone down. So I'm just literally waiting for the market to begin its trend higher. That might be this week. We'll see. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.